Today, we're making a delicious and easy roasted red pepper hummus. You'll need 1 can of chickpeas, 2 roasted red peppers, 1/4 cup tahini, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt to taste. Start by adding 1 can of drained chickpeas to your food processor. Next, add your roasted red peppers. Now, add 1/4 cup of tahini. Squeeze in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Throw in 2 cloves of garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add salt to taste. Blend everything until smooth. You might need to add a little water for the perfect consistency. Spoon your hummus into a serving dish and drizzle with a bit more olive oil. Garnish with a sprinkle of smoked paprika and some chopped parsley. And there you have it, roasted red pepper hummus. Perfect with pita bread or veggies. Enjoy! Follow, like, and subscribe for more recipes.